Come back to subscribe, please. Today we're diving into the world of Agent AI token, also known as $AI. This guide will walk you through the process of acquiring this cryptocurrency, which aims to power an AI agent network. Given the buzz around AI and blockchain, AI is gaining traction, and we're here to show you how to get involved. But remember, this isn't financial advice. Oh, what exactly is Agent AI? It's a project with a mission to revolutionize how AI agents operate, and the AI token plays a crucial role in this ecosystem. The AI agent network aims to provide a functional system, with the AI token acting as a key component. Potential use cases range from decentralized AI services to powering various applications. The underlying technology often involves a specific blockchain, so keep an eye out for which one AI utilizes. How might you consider investing in AI? The AI agent market has significant growth potential, and Agent AI aims to establish competitive advantages in the field. Understanding the tokenomics of AI is crucial, so research its supply, distribution model, and any mechanisms like token burns. Also, explore if there are possibilities for staking or governance within the AI ecosystem, but be aware that there are potential risks involved when investing in any cryptocurrency. Where can you actually buy AI? For many, MEXC Global provides a viable option. While other exchanges may exist, MEXC often stands out for its accessibility and ease of use, making it a convenient starting point for new investors. ETs break down the step-by-step process of buying AI on MEXC Global. First, you'll need to create an account by going to the MEXC Global website and signing up using either your email address or phone number. Crucially, you'll need to complete the KYC, or Know Your Customer, verification process to comply with regulations. Once your account is set up and verified, you need to deposit funds. Log in, navigate to the Wallet or Assets section, and choose to deposit USDT, BTC, ETH, or another supported cryptocurrency. Copy the provided deposit address and send funds from your external wallet. With funds in your account, you can now trade USDT for AI. Go to the Trade or Spot section and search for the AI/USDT trading pair. You can then choose between a limit market or stop limit order, enter the amount of AI you want to buy, and execute the trade. Finally, and very importantly, store your AI securely. You can keep it on MEXC Global for trading convenience, or withdraw it to a personal wallet, with hardware wallets offering enhanced security. ETs investigate if AI operates on the Base blockchain. If it does, this has implications for gas fees and transaction speeds, so it is important to do your research. You can find AI's contract address on the Base network and add it to MetaMask, a popular browser extension wallet. Is it possible to buy AI on Coinbase? It's crucial to verify whether AI is currently listed on Coinbase. If it is, the buying process would be similar to MEXC, adapted for the Coinbase interface. If AI isn't on Coinbase, remember that MEXC or other exchanges remain viable alternatives. It's important to be mindful of the potential challenges and considerations involved in buying AI. Cryptocurrency prices are inherently volatile, and investing in new tokens carries risks. Always do thorough research, otherwise known as DYOR. Lastly, ensure the security of your cryptocurrency wallet. In conclusion, buying AI involves creating an exchange account, depositing funds, and executing a trade, all while being conscious of the associated risks and doing your due diligence. Please remember that this is not financial advice. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Subscribe, please.